Hey, I've been watching a lot of people having meltdowns and things are going wrong in their lives. And they're like, oh my goodness, why did I become a content creator? Why are content creators quitting? That's what you want to say to yourself. Like, what's going on? Listen, I'm going to tell you something. I have found that there are a few, not just a few, wait a minute. It's a lot of content creators just saying, you know what? I'm done. But let's talk about why we have been seeing such an influx of people quitting content creation. All right, let's get into it. First of all, it was fun to you at first. You were like, oh, let me get up here. This is so fun. Let me get up here and show my cooking and show my dancing and crack a couple of jokes, different things like that until life started really happening, right? Yeah. First of all, you're saying to yourself, this isn't why I started. Yeah. You just found out it's a business. YouTube is a business. Yeah. And you actually are in business for yourself. When you start YouTube, it is all fun and games. And as you go along, it's still fun. But then you say to yourself, what is my niche? What am I supposed to post about? You're losing traction a little bit. Some of you are. And the ones that have content creators that said to themselves, I'm quitting or have quit, they just don't see the passion in it anymore. So here's the thing. If you are on the verge of quitting or have already quit, but you still have that passion to be a content creator, let me tell you what the biggest problem I've seen. The biggest problem I've seen is that the passion is gone and that you no longer have that same purpose, or you lost your purpose, and the consistency of your content has started lagging. It started lagging, and you're saying to yourself, oh my goodness, she's telling the truth. Yes, I'm telling the truth. It started lagging. And a lot of times your family members might say, you know, what are you doing? You're doing that content creation thing again. Oh, you need to stop doing that and focus on your job or go get a job. Now, I would never tell anybody to quit their job. But if you didn't have a job in the first place, go full force in this content creation. If you didn't have a job and you were looking for a job, do whatever it is that you believe that is going to work for you. I didn't say stop looking for a job, but I am saying while you don't have a job, use content creation as a full-time job because it can bring you an income. Now, it may not bring you a large income. It may bring you just a little bit. And then who knows, you may even go viral. No one knows. Each content that you put out, each video that you put out, you don't know what is going to be. You don't know who's going to be watching and what the trend is at that moment. And it's actually really not a trend. It's what people are going through at that time. What are you going through? That's what people want to know. YouTube started as a university. YouTube University. That's all I used to hear a long time ago. YouTube University. So if you are giving out content that's going to help somebody, teach somebody, show someone your testimonial and what you are doing to keep your life going, then great. Keep going. And it's all about consistency. It's all about what you believe that will work for you. Now, like I said, there's a lot of people out here quitting, and they're quitting for the wrong reasons. And sometimes people are quitting for the right reasons. Okay. You know, mental sanity. Sometimes you get all these trolls in your lives, or most of the time it's in your lives. You might have a couple of people that'll come in your comment section, but most of the time they come to your live stream. And if it don't bother you, you got tough skin, great. But it's a lot of people out here that do not have tough skin. And the trolls can troll you right out of being a content creator. So this is what I suggest. If the trolls are bothering you and it's really bothering you, go to YouTube Studio and put it on subscriber only, right? But if it doesn't bother you, guess what? It's going to make your video go up in the algorithm and more people will see it. And that's going to be a great thing. That's how you win. So why are content creators, why are they quitting? They're quitting because it's easy. It's easy to quit. It's easy to quit, but it's not easy to continue on and keep striving and keep soaring. You're going to have stumbling blocks. You're going to have those naysayers. You're going to run into some of the wrong people on YouTube and outside of YouTube. You're going to run into a wonderful work of a lot of people's information. You're going to run into all of that. You're going to run into your ring light shutting off in the middle of your video, feeling like like mine just did, feeling like your content isn't enough. It is enough. It is enough, and you can do this. So I just want you to know that whatever you do, don't give up on your goals and dreams. Continue to do what it is that makes you happy, no matter what that is. If you decide to quit content creation, fine. That's on you. It's nobody's business. But I will say this. If you keep on going, if you keep on striving, if you keep on saying, I got this, I believe in myself. I love you. I believe in you. I want to see you win. When you say that to yourself, you continue to inspire yourself. Sometimes you got to inspire yourself. You got to encourage and inspire yourself. It's okay when everything isn't perfect. You don't have the best camera, if you have a camera at all. Well, guess what? The camera is on your phone. You don't have a laptop? Your phone is a mini computer. You don't have a ring light. Guess what? The sun can be your ring light. So let's talk about this. What will you do? Will you continue to start today? Will you continue to go in and do what it is that you said you started to do? Will you do that? I want to ask you this. Will you put in the comment section below, I will. There go my ring light again. You see what I'm saying? It's okay. It's okay. You can say, I will. I must. And I am going to do this no matter what. So I also have something special for you in the pin section. So go take a look. I'll talk to you guys later.